like the ocean. So I would not go in the ocean or near the ocean in the winter time, especially in December. But yeah, so there is someone, a technician, who's using spray, so I can get some sort of a realistic view of the ocean. So in any case, you won't see much because that guy behind the backdrop, he cannot hear me. So he always sprays too much. That's the whole idea. And right here, so this video is not to impress people, I can tell you that. I've done intense stuff. This is just to experiment with the software I'm talking about. So I'm recording something, then I go in the computer. So I don't want to waste time and go back and forth, because we have to pay that guy who is spraying. Okay, so to minimize the cost, we'll do a kind of a video shoot with some recording, then I'll go on the computer and see how it goes. So he cannot hear me that he is spraying too much. So sorry about that, I have to use a sock to clean the lens. But I'm very eager to see what comes out from the computer. Yeah, so we're recording this one long time ago. We sent out some dude. He put a camera like that. He recorded. That was something, yeah. Hey, I told you don't spray that much. Anyway, so he doesn't hear. maybe he can hear me and is trying to say, you know what, I can hear you well, you were looking for some spray, I'll give you spray. So anyway, it's a cool time here in the studio, and I'm sorry if you cannot see well, but what can I do? Yeah, so when I walk backwards, I may hit some wall here, because they did it so nicely, you can't see much left or right, you know, they put mirrors and lights and stuff, and some big projectors, so I have a 360 projector that goes all around, and I don't see much well. So when I get out, I may get dizzy a bit. And of course, this is a GoPro camera. It does not have what? No, this is not a GoPro camera, and it has a zoom. So you know, even in a real life, I would not get that close to the waves, because the waves, I can tell you that from my experience. And you see, you have to wear kind of special shoes here in the studio, so the waves may take you away. That was a good one. Hey, told you. So he's a good tech, I can tell you that. He's pretty amazing at what he does for me. And that's a big one. It's coming, and it's going to crash right here. Like that. Okay, so that was cool. Thank you. Okay, that's another big one. So I have to hold. But I'll see you later.